Hello, I'm Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College, and I welcome you to another edition of Mondays with Mahan. Today, my special guest is Mr. Will Williams, who is President of EDP. Mr. Williams, welcome to Mondays with Mahan, and tell us a little bit about what EDP stands for.
Well, thank you, Dr. Mahan. It's good to be here. EDP is short for the Economic Development Partnership. We're a four-county regional economic development recruiting agency to get new jobs and investment into Aiken, Edgefield, Saluda, and McCormick. And since we're here at Aiken Tech, we're dealing with Aiken County. And so while we try to work with new companies locating in the area, we find them, we also work with the existing companies that are already here. And the number one thing those companies need is what Aiken Tech provides, and that's a well-trained workforce.
Well, one of the things that's unique is that Aiken County, in the time that I've been here, has had a very low unemployment rate. And even though we are coming out of a pandemic, our unemployment rate is still remarkably low, correct?
It's correct. We're just a little over 4% right now in terms of unemployment, and we've got the same situation that we had prior to the pandemic. We've got jobs looking for people. So if you need a job, come to Aiken Tech and they can help you find a job.
Now, what kind of jobs are we looking at? I mean, what kind of jobs are open? What are they looking for in the skill sets?
Many companies though are looking for folks to show up on time, but some of them are actually looking for true skill sets, machine tool, welding, even some chemical operators in some of our pharmaceutical operations. So the demand is broad. And so if you've got a good overall background, which I know Aiken Tech provides that in some of your classes, but then get into some of the more specifics, you've got a great future.
And so in that instance, what we've got here in this region is, again, the era of jobs without people. And what we have at the college are the different programs that would help fill those jobs in a relatively quick time period. I mean, some require certification, 2-year degree, but you can get into the job market very quickly. What we have, there are two fields. You have the non-credit side, which we focus on, for example, with our tower program, but also with some advanced manufacturing training, which can be done at little to no cost to the student. And on the credit side, we are in the process of getting ready to register for both summer and fall courses. So if we have individuals who are thinking about making that next step after high school or maybe looking for career change, this is their opportunity to do this for really little cost to themselves, as we have a lot of varieties of ways of helping pay for that education. Well, Mr. Williams, anything else you'd like to share that you would like for the public to know about kind of where we're headed here in Aiken County?
I think our best days are ahead of us. We've had a lot of interest from new companies looking at the region. We've also got interest from companies that are already here looking to expand. So I believe the future is incredibly bright for Aiken County. And we know that you're one of our very valued partners to make all this happen.
And we appreciate Mr. Williams and the EDP's efforts to help bring new businesses and industries to this region, because this helps the growth and development of Aiken County. So Mr. Williams, thank you for being a guest with us today. I appreciate your time and all that you do for the community. And again, this has been another edition with Mondays with Mahan, and we look forward to seeing you next week.